Probably it's not necessary that all fathers teach their daughters to drive, but it's necessary that you find something you can bond with your child. Driving is just one aspect. Playing a video game is another aspect. Doing homework together is another aspect. Doing a puzzle. So you just have to find what they're liking. And we do all of the above. We play puzzles together. We play football together. And she loves driving. So it just so happened that it's one of her favorite activities.
Okay.
So we do it more than often.
Yeah.
And as you see, she's really good at it.
Yeah. Is he the best daddy, Sarah? Yeah. Number one.
Well, who would allow a 7-year-old to drive a $1.5 million value car by herself? By herself.
Only daddy.
Yeah, I have, faith. Just about, faith in her.
Yeah.
Mommy said that she's not comfortable with me driving.
Okay.
So her dad will let you get her away with a little bit of stuff.
Little bit.
A little bit of.
And what are some tips would you give for fathers out there? Would it be, how to be a good father?
Alright, I don't know if there's a secret to be a good father, but what I can say, the first direction or step to take in being a good father is to first be a parent, right? And a parent is one who you have to jump at the responsibility. You have to know the responsibility you have, take it in hand, and not only that, make the hard decisions. The decision will not be favorable to the to the child, but it's the best interest of the child. Yeah. Right. The next thing is children grow and they move from stage to stage. Each stage comes with a different personality. You have to understand that your child, understand their personality, and there's sections in which there's need tweaking. That is where good parenting comes in now, in which you formalize different ways in which you can tweak and change, because nobody's perfect. Just to change and tweak your child in the way they should grow.
Okay. And what's your take on discipline when it comes to kids?
It is paramount. A child has to have discipline. However, they have to understand the meaning of discipline and what a disciplined child is. With my teaching, I have seen that I'm gathering some success because she has taken on a leadership position at her school, in which in class she's teacher's favorite helper. And at consultation day, one of her biggest threat was she has leadership qualities. I've taught her how to be in control, and being in control is being a leader of your own life.
Yeah.
And you treat people how you ought to be treated, and one is to be mannerable and treated with respect.
Okay.
So it is paramount on our list when it comes to she being mannerable, as being mannerable.
Okay. And how important is it to have a father in a child's life?
It is very important. It's not even a father, I would say. Both parents active, whether they're living together or living apart. Or in some instance, a stepmother, or a good stepmother or a good stepfather will suffice, is just good enough. But each child, each household is going to need both parents, whether they are living together or living abroad or living apart. There are certain instances in which I am kind of softer with certain topics, and she will come to me with, and I will help her. And there's other topics in which she rather her mother for guidance. And I will see in both ways we kind of complement each other, and we get this rounded child.
Yeah.
As we would expect, yeah.
Because she's doing great in school. She's a leader.
She's excellent in school. Not even great. I must say she's excellent. My top speller, my top mathematician, She has a 98 average.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she always strive for excellence.
Yeah.
And she's well-rounded.
Yeah, because you also teach her life skills such as driving.
Driving, swimming, riding our bicycle.
Yeah.
She's very adventurous.
Yeah.
So I don't let she just stay locked in the tablet. I tend to let she, go out sometime, be adventurous, have some fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And one thing I noticed that you do is limit her TV or screen time.
Yes, I do. So I have multiple activities, especially around the community and around the house. Just last week we both erected a basketball hoop at the back.
Oh, awesome.
So it was temporary. However, it is another segment of her life in which she can interact with her neighbors. Okay, yeah. She just reminded me. Her sporting competitive nature has built has done great wonders for her. Fear. I guess fear is no longer. She just reminded me, fear is no longer a part of her vocabulary. She is really fearless. She takes on any obstacle course.
Wait, repeat that. Fear is no longer a part of her vocabulary.
Vocabulary, yeah. She's no fearless.
Fearless. That's what she just reminded you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she's no fearless. She takes on every obstacle in life like an obstacle course, and she has always overcome them. I like the way how she approach stuff. I really like the way how she process and approach stuff. She just reminded me that, yeah. It's like she overcome all obstacle course.
And it's because of you and your wife working in conjunction to
exactly.
Be in her life, you're involved and you do all this with her.
Yes. And I want to tell her that she just reminded me that we went on an obstacle course. There is one on the beach. The beach is Puerto Seco. So we went to Puerto Seco. Her mom didn't want to do the obstacle course. And I just want to show you that is one of her challenges. She will do what people are afraid of. Case in point is her mom in this instance. But a friend, she will take on those challenges. I don't know, with flying colors. And she tends to be very successful. I remember the obstacle course she did at Puerto Seco. I think she was the only one that day that didn't fall off the obstacle.
Yeah? What?
She didn't fall in the water.
High five for that. Yes.
I did it and I fell once.
You fell?
I fell once. So, oh yeah, I fell because I was actually sacrificing myself. She was about to fall, and I was sacrificed a limb and fallen in the water to save her. Yeah. And she stayed afloat. She didn't fall in the water. So she finished the course successfully. She didn't even fall once. She did, and because of that, she actually finished the obstacle course, I think, first.
Okay.
No, not first, but kind of first.
Well, yeah, kind of first, second.
Yeah, second.
And because I fell in the water, when I finished the obstacle course, I was wondering, where is she? Well, she jumped off and she swam to shore all by herself, unaided.
Yeah.
That was one of the most surprising things to me. You know, I remember swimming out there. She was very tentative. We swam out there hand in hand. And when she finished the obstacle course, she jumped off and she swam to shore all by herself.
Okay.
That is a big girl.
Anything you would like to say, Sarah?
I love my daddy and mommy.
You love your daddy and mommy? That's so sweet. Anything else before we wrap up? Because I know the sun hot.
Well, I would say parents, please stay engaged with your in your child's life, especially education and social and social upbringing. Those are I see a lot of kids they have a lot of lack of self-esteem, and that has affected them, especially in the classroom. They'll know the answer, but they're afraid to put up their hand and answer. So let us start with that. Their social upbringing, and stay abreast in their educational in life. You know, help them with their homework. Oversee, show interest. show interest and talk to them.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to them. They understand a lot. Talk to your kids.
Yeah.
And enjoy parenthood. I mean, it is a big blessing to be a parent.
Okay.
So I think you should enjoy parenthood.
Yeah. Thank
while
you.
It lasts.
And what?
While it lasts.
Well,
They will be 18 one day.
yeah. True. All right. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Yeah.